When you first walk into my room, you see my makeup area, my vanity table, and my vanity mirror. I have my brushes over here and this glass container and my micellar water makeup cleaners, my makeup organizer. All things beauty happens in this area. I absolutely love this area. This is my favorite part of my room. Honestly, I got all of the furniture from Amazon, my makeup container organizer, the makeup chair, the table, all of that is from Amazon. So I'll be sure to list all of that down in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing. My TV is from TCL, I believe it's called. It's a Roku TV. It's 32-inch. I think it's a pretty okay size. I could get a bigger one, but for now, this one works perfectly. And I also got some LED backlights from Amazon to go behind the TV. I think it's super cute and it gives a great ambiance in the dark when it's nighttime. I really love this setup. On the side of my makeup area, I have my hair care area. This is where I put all of my hair care products, body products, facial products, all of that. I have my busted old mannequin head. Please ignore that. Don't judge me for that. Jailyn totally destroyed it. But on the second shelf, I just have all of me and Jailyn's hair care products. Of course, you see a lot of Cantu because I absolutely do love the Cantu line for Jailyn's hair. Then I have some TGIN, Afro G hair treatments. Gorilla Snot got to be my spray bottle. Then on the second drawer, I just have my flat iron and then some hair accessories for Jailyn. Bottom drawer is totally miscellaneous items. My books from college that I absolutely cannot throw out because they were too much money. Next to hair care, then I have my nightstand. It's pretty blank and empty. I'm supposed to get a lamp, but I never got around to it. So on here, I just have a candle that I like to burn after I've already finished cleaning, my TV remote, and my Bible and laptop. I always keep my Bible open just because, and my laptop is underneath it. This is where I keep all of my underwear in this dresser. Then onto my bed. I absolutely love this headboard. I got this from Amazon. I will link that in the description box as well with pricing. This is so affordable and cute. I'm so in love with this faux leather diamond crusted, I don't know, headboard, but it's so super cute, you guys. And then I just have on some basic bed sheets, spread set. I got all of these locally in store. So if you are in the Turks and Caicos, I recommend that you go to KB Home and Kishko to get all of your bedding. Oh, my bed frame is also from Amazon. It's a Zenith bed frame if you're wondering. On the end of my bed, I just have an ottoman. I think this is called a bedside bench. I just keep all of Jailyn's toys in here. I'd like to keep it away, put it away so that she doesn't make a complete mess. It's kind of already busted from her playing with it and ruining it, but it's still super cute. Then I also got this super cute faux rug from Amazon as well. I absolutely love this rug. The color is perfect. The fabric, everything is just totally perfect. It does shed a little, but not like overly dramatic, but it's still super good. Onto my dresser. I got this dresser from Amazon. I keep all of my clothes that I don't hang up in here, so it's pretty good and decent for the size. It holds up well for all of the clothes that I stuff inside of it, honestly. Then I got this organizer from Amazon. It's completely awesome, you guys. If you haven't gotten this organizer, I suggest that you do. I'll link it in the description box, of course. But I just put all of my body sprays, my perfumes, all of my hygiene stuff, moisturizer, deodorant, lotions. It's totally convenient. I am so happy I purchased this. Right beside my dresser is my bathroom, but we're not going in there because no. But that's the door to my bathroom. And the second door is the door to come into my room. This door right here leads into my walk-in closet. It's a pretty decent size, but in there is a total mess, so I'm not even gonna go in there. And this completes my room tour, you guys. I hope that this was enjoyable and helpful. I will list all of the items down in the description box for your convenience. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.